Welcome to MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. My name is Bill Herr, and today we're going to do a quick walkthrough with this brand new 2023 Sea Ray 270 Sundeck Outboard. As you can see down here, it's got the new quantum blue hull color, beautiful color combination with the gray interior that you'll see in a minute. Let's step aboard, take a look at some of the options and features that can make this the perfect boat for you and your family. As you can see back here, we've got the white Mercury 300. This is the new V8 that's naturally aspirated. Great option and power plant for this boat. Get you up and out of the water, get you moving. You're able to pull skiers and tubers or wakeboarders, whatever you're looking to do as enjoyment out on the water that day. And is a good color combination with the white sport tower and goes along well with the quantum blue hull color as well. Back here on the transom of the boat, you can see you got a nice sun pad, lounging area. You do have some storage underneath, some cup holders. You got your stereo remote back here, so as you are, if you're out and you're anchored, or if you're using, you beach the boat or something like that, you do have the stereo controls that you can use, as well as a nice insulated cooler, so you don't have to come in and out of the boat if you're going to be grabbing drinks or food or anything like that. You don't have to get the boat all messy when you're doing that. You do have a shower right there as well, so if you do have to come into the boat, you got the kids and stuff like that, you can wash off and keep the sand from coming inside of the boat itself. On the side over here, nice little option. Here in New Jersey, we have a lot of restaurants that you can pull up to. So this is a great option if you need to step up and out of the boat and, and it's a little bit higher up on a bulkhead or something like that. You have that little step there to get up and out of the boat nice and easy. As we enter into the boat, one of the things I'll point out, tons of seating space, lots of storage, able to accommodate a lot of friends, a lot of family, whatever you're looking to do. This boat is one of our most popular sellers just because of the size and the price point. So again, full wraparound seating. I got storage under all the seats, underneath the floor here. These seats convertible back and forth, so if you're just hanging out, you can have them as a lounger, or you can face them the other way, and then you can have people looking forward as you're running the boat. I will mention too, like I said, you got the sport tower, so you can do wakeboarding off of this. It does have the high hookup point up here, which is nice for pulling those wakeboards and skiers. Over here at the helm, got the nice 12-inch Simrad screen, great option for this boat. It's got all your maps, engine data, sonar, depth finder, all that kind of stuff is in there. This one is equipped as well with the upgraded stereo. Great sound option for this boat. There's speakers everywhere. It's got a subwoofer, a separate amplifier, just great for entertaining and enjoying that day out on the water. This also has the new Mercury throttles. You got your push button start there. Very easy for the captain to operate this boat. Over on the port side, nice large head compartment. Right now we have some of the storage in there for the canvas. You got a freshwater sink, but easy to get down into. I'm 6'2", I can back down in there, no problems, and be able to use the restroom if needed. Stepping up to the bow, again, great seating option. You can fit 4 people up here, or if you're 2 people lounging, you do have a bow filler cushion that goes in, and then there's storage under each seat as well. Grab handles, everything is about safety. Sea Ray really focuses on safety and entertainment. So they want you to be safe out on the water with your family and friends, and then they also want you to be able to entertain a lot of people. So great option for that on this Sea Ray 270 Sundeck Outboard. So that's a quick walkthrough. If you wanted a personal walkthrough, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us here at MarineMax in Somers Point at 609-926-0600. Again, thank you for doing this. My name's Bill Herr. If you have any questions, you can reach us, and we'll see you on the water.